Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you fix and solve WeChat video call. In order to fix WeChat video call issue, first of all, you could go ahead and check your internet connection. So for that, you want to swipe down, or you could simply go to the settings, and here you could make sure to check whether you're connected to your internet or not. If you're connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data, you could actually go ahead and then toggle the button, or you could actually go ahead and restart your network connection. That should be able to fix it. So however, if that's not the case, you could also ensure your device's camera and microphone are working properly, or that you've enabled the permission. So you want to go ahead and long press onto the WeChat application, go to this info or app info section, and you want to go to storage. Here you want to make sure that you've enabled all of these, especially camera and microphone. Once you do it, so you should be able to fix. Now try logging in and see whether the video call issue has been solved or resolved or not. If the issue persists on, then you could try restarting the WeChat app. But for that, what you could do is exit out of this page and completely close the WeChat application from the background. Then you want to once again come back to the WeChat application and long press onto it and click on app info. After which you want to go to storage and cache. Now click on clear cache, and then you want to go ahead and close this up, restart your device, and once again log in. See whether you're able to fix it or not. In some cases, it might also be due to the outdated version, so you could always go ahead and make sure to check for an update on your respective app store. So go to your app store, and on the search box you want to type in WeChat and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. See, if you see update just like mine, then you have to click on the update button and wait for it. After completely updating it, so you should be able to fix the issue. However, despite of doing all of these procedure, then you can actually go ahead and check for the server status as well on the browser. Sometimes it might be from the server itself and not the application, that's not the device or the application that's having an issue. So you could go ahead and check for the server status, and you should be able to resolve your issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.